take a second here, and we're going to look at a couple averages that pop up on this screen. So you can kind of see that it gives you some average numbers, it gives you some carry numbers, the highs, the lows, all that kind of stuff. What we're really looking at is kind of that average number over there. Okay, your backspin is 2,400 according to this thing. That's probably a little bit low, and you got to remember when we're working in a simulator, oftentimes spin is going to be, it can be inaccurate.
Yeah.
Something else to look at though is the proximity to the hole. On these, your average distance to the hole was 22 feet. Okay, so if we're looking to assess kind of what you said in your evaluation of your own game and how you felt the season went, and then what we're correlating into the results that we're getting here, 22 feet from 30 yards is probably a little bit too far.
Yeah.
I think that definitely will hinder your scoring. It doesn't give you a lot of opportunities to save par. And quite frankly, when you're not saving par, you're kind of hurting your momentum in your round a little bit.
Yeah.
So something I would love to be able to do with you would be not only to tweak your setup a little bit and give you a couple more tools in your bag as far as the short game goes, but also get you to understand kind of the mental side of it. You know, a shot like this should be one that you want to attack. You want to be aggressive with. You can play a variety of shots from here. We can put a different club in your hand as well. You currently have a 58. We can get you into a 52. We can get you into a pitching wedge even, and use the green that we've got and kind of that back slope behind the pin to help give us some different options and get you comfortable in a scoring situation.
Okay.
So we've been focusing on about a 30-yard shot here with a lot of green to work with. I'm going to transition you over to a little bit different area, and we're going to work on using a different club and kind of demonstrate the different shots that you can utilize as tools around the green to help you decrease your scoring.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to move you basically to the opposite side of the green. You're going to have even more green to work with. We're going to still be in the rough, but I'm going to put a wedge in your hand rather than a 58 degree and see if we can start to tool some of the shots that we need that are more reliable and a little bit easier to execute.
Okay.
So, and we're right about the same distance. It's still going to be 30 yards. But you can see it's a different angle, a lot more green. You can also start to see the slope going into the pin is going to be going away from us. So we do have to control the speed and feel a little bit more. That's why we're going to go ahead and take some loft off of it. I'm going to put the wedge in your hand. So, as we've been talking about a little bit until this point, we've been doing a lot of shots that are more in the air. We've been working on the field with the 58. So let's talk a little bit about a bump and run. Are you confident in the bump and run?
Not as much.
Okay. Is it a shot that you would like to put in your arsenal, or is it something you would more use as a last resort?
Coming out of the rough, I'd probably use it more as a last resort.
Okay.
Obviously on a tight lie, I get pretty shaky with a wedge, you know,
Okay.
from chunking them all the time. So out of tight lie is when I normally hit a bump and run. But out of the rough, it's not something I usually hit because the ball's kind of normally sitting up a little bit more and kind of get it up in the air there. But
Gotcha.